Today, I will be talking about the 5 easy tips for losing weight. If one of your goals for 2015 is to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle, then this video is for you. The first tip I like to call Breakfast of Champions. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It is better to have a big breakfast than no breakfast at all. Eating a bigger breakfast will give you energy for the day and keep you full until lunch. A few examples for breakfast is a banana, yogurt, granola, oatmeal, and even a boiled egg. If you want to eat a dessert or sweet snack for that day, try eating it earlier in the day. Then you will be able to burn off those calories throughout the day. The third tip is smaller portions. Although breakfast is important, try not to have huge amounts of every item. Check out myplate.gov to get correct portion sizes for meals. They have great pictures and meal ideas of what your plate should look like. The fourth tip is exercise. Not only a healthy diet is important for losing weight, but also daily exercise. Any physical activity will do, as long as it is at least 30 minutes every day. A few examples include walking your dogs in a park or around your neighborhood, playing tennis with a friend or family member, kayaking, and even enjoying the fun at a playground with your family. The fifth tip is decrease sodium intake. Many processed and prepared foods contain sodium. A single teaspoon has 2,300 milligrams, while the dietary guidelines for Americans suggest or recommend only 2,300 milligrams per day. But if you are 51 years and older, the recommended intake is 1,500 milligrams per day. You need sodium because it helps maintain the right balance of fluids in your body, helps transmit nerve impulses, and influences the contraction and relaxation of your muscles. The main foods to watch out for are pasta dishes, cheese, soups, and fast foods. Eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. Instead of salting your food at the table or in recipes, try herbs and seasonings like oregano.